don't forget to subscribe to my mom's channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel. You will see many places, Tanzania, Ooty, Mudumalai and lots more. So don't forget to check it out. Don't forget to check the last video on an amazing remedy to get rid of hair fall. Hello my superb babies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing an amazing product with you. It's a review time and it's been a long time I haven't reviewed any product as such. Not really long. I even reviewed the sunscreen some days back. So yes, but this is a product exclusively for pigmentation, and I have a little story before I start this whole review. Now, Forest Essentials is a luxurious Ayurveda brand which recently opened up Viviana Mall in Thane, Mumbai, India. So while I was going for a movie, I saw Forest Essentials out there and I was a little excited because I have not used much products from Forest Essentials. Yes, I have gotten in the past loads of gifts from there, but I'm not used as such. So when I just saw this, it hit my eye. It looks so nice, the shop looks so goldeny, so glittery, and it really excited me to go there. And anyways, I had to give something to my dad. So I was like, okay, he is all about brands, okay. He just doesn't like using homemade remedies at all. To be super frank, he doesn't like using homemade remedy. He actually likes using high-end brands. If I get for him anything like exclusively high-end, he loves it. He's so happy when it is Clarins, Skills and other brands as such. He's very excited. He's very happy. Now for a change, I thought of going a little bit to the natural side for him, and I went to Forest Essentials. Has it already hit my eye and I'm so excited about just looking at it. So I went over there and it smells so good. The whole shop smells like so good, and it's like, natural ingredients excites me like big time. So I went through the shop, not actually in particular, I didn't go into a lot of details of what they have because they have a lot of stuff, a lot. So I didn't go much. I just wanted something exclusively for my dad who has pigmentation out here. So I was like, let me get something for him which is like strong and gets rid of pigmentation fast. So I asked her and she told me this product is very nice. It goes into the 7th layer of the pigmentation. It cures from the 7th layer and all that, blah blah blah. And I was like, okay, how much is it? So she told me it is priced at 3,395 Indian rupees. Then I actually took the product and I wanted to actually look into it now. It is this one. Initially, actually, I didn't know it was high-end, but then when I entered the shop, I realized, oh my god, this is luxury. It is a Soundarya Advanced Serum with 24 karat gold, and this is 25 ml, priced at 3,395 Indian rupees. The packaging is super classy and super sexy. I love anything in bling. It is a traditional, unique Ayurvedic serum which contains anti-aging herbs and 24 karat gold basma to lighten and brighten the skin tone, along with targeting skin pigmentation from the deepest layer of the skin. It even came with a pamphlet which explains what makes this a great product to use, about the key ingredients which makes it so good. Reading this is so good, like it has saffron, cow's milk, cold pressed organic sweet almond oil. Comes in a pump form which is very easy to use, and one pump is more than enough for your whole face. It is a very liquidy in texture, so yes, it's quite liquidy and spreads quite easily. So Has's product is on the expensive side, and she has told me to apply this product before you go to sleep in the night. Now I want to make best use of this product, so I told my dad not to apply this just before you go to sleep. Apply this product 4 to 5 hours before you go to sleep, because once you go to sleep, the oil on the face might just get stuck on the pillow cover and so on. It might not be so beneficial if you go to sleep just after applying it. So I just suggested my dad this and he was following that way. So yes, I told him to take a little bit on his palm, just warm it up. Do not massage it, just warm it up like this, just smash it into your palms, and told him to dab it on his face first. Though her instructions was a little different, but I told him just to follow the way I told him. So I told him to just dab into your skin first, especially concentrating where your pigmentation is, and then slowly massaging it in upward strokes. He's not been applying this on his neck actually. This is definitely oily on the skin. It gives an oily finish. It does not get absorbed as such. That's why I told to apply this 4 to 5 hours prior to sleeping, because it does not get absorbed and it might just get stuck on the pillow covers, as I said. But if you apply it like 4 to 5 hours prior, it goes away into your skin after that. It does not easily get absorbed, but after a few hours it does go into your skin completely. And just one pump is more than enough for your whole face. Like seriously, I even told my dad that don't think you can take 2-3 pumps and you can get rid of your pigmentation super fast. Just use one pump and don't exceed it, because that's more than enough. So I gave it to him and he actually used it religiously because it's high-end. If you give him something which is really high-end, in case of my dad, he uses it religiously. So he was using this religiously, and within a week, I kept a check on his pigmentation. Within a week, it lightened big time, which was a shock for me, which is like, what? Like, wow. Really wow. So I saw a lot of difference on his skin. Basically he was applying it on his whole face, but particularly I concentrated on his pigmentation, and there was a lot of difference which really excited me, and I was like, I have to make this video, babies. I have to share this because I know many out there don't like to use homemade remedies. They are too lazy. They want something ready-made and they're ready to spend money. So yes, this is the product you have to invest in, because I have particularly seen a lot of difference on my dad. So I would really suggest this. If you have the money, if you're ready to spend on something really luxurious, go ahead and buy this. I would highly recommend it because it's super duper good. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit a like. If you like any other products from Forest Essentials, do comment below and let me know. Let me check out if I can also try them. Lady at the counter told me the pigmentation will start reducing within a week's time, but I personally saw it within 4 days. It might take some more time for your skin, but then on my dad's skin I saw it within 4 days. So yeah, and if you use it religiously, I think in the course of time, maybe months, it will completely disappear. But remember, what you eat and drink really matters. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you did, thank you so much. And all my social media links will be in the description box. I'm there on Instagram, Roposo, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and yeah, so on. So see ya later in another video very soon. Bye bye.